Look, the whole thing literally just fell apart. Wow. Recently purchased this 2014 Volkswagen Touareg, and of course whenever you buy a used car there's always compromises, you know, a little dent here or maybe this or that, but there's a few things that you just have to have, one of which is this window switch. I don't know what these apes that had this car before did to this to make this happen. I know it's common, but I don't know how this happened, but we did find a replacement for 15 bucks on Amazon. I'm going to show you all how to pop this panel off and get the switch in and get back to rolling them windows up and down. Picked up this cheap set of pry tools on Amazon for like 5 or 6 bucks. I'll have a link in the description below. Make sure you always check out the links in the description below for my videos. It's got pretty much everything I use in them, so you can use it as a shopping guide, and honestly, you just clicking around on those links really helps support the channel. Let's pop this panel off. The panel came out relatively easily. It's just held in place by 3 little clips. You just basically lift up and kind of pull back. The electrical connection is held in by a little blue clip. You just pull up on that and it'll separate. Now we got the panel out, we can get this old switch out and the new one in. Before I even bother putting this switch into all the trim, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and make sure it works. Lovely. With the trim panel out of the car, now we can get this switch out of it. It's held in by these little black clips. I just got a variety of little pokers and prodders here, and I'm just gonna see if I can get it out. So it looks like what's holding it in is in the back right here. There's a groove that locks in right here. Look, the whole thing literally just fell apart. Wow. Now's a good time to get in there and get all that belly button lint out of the switches, because that is absolutely gnarly in there. After you get that switch snapped in, test those windows one more time before you put that trim in. Those things only got a few in and outs in them and they're done. And just like that, we went from what could be potentially a nightmare situation to having our windows fixed for only $15. Check out the link in the description below for that switch. I hope this video helped y'all. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a video. Next, I'm gonna be taking care of the AC vents. None of the AC vents in this car work. They're either don't open or you can't adjust them. So that is next on the to-do list to get this used Touareg kind of up to snuff. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.